So for today's video, we're going to take you along as we hit up a bunch of different thrift stores. We normally just go to the one in American Fork, but we decided to broaden our horizons to see if we could find anything else.
Well, we were already down here picking up an old crock, a number 5. We'll show you here in a sec. So this is the crock here that we came all the way into Salt Lake for, and so while we're here, we're going to go ahead and get some other things. The top is broken, the lid's got some cracks and chips, but you know, we're going to keep them as a set. And they might just be fun for decor in the shop because Jamie wants to change up the way things look.
It was 40 bucks and I feel like it was worth every penny.
Oh, first find. It's kind of on the high end. We usually get them for $1, $1.50, but I'm going for it.
I said I wasn't gonna buy any more Christmas stuff, but this tarnished Santa sleigh is super cute, so it's definitely coming home with us. So I definitely need more milk glass. I wanna do a whole display with tons of it, so I'm gonna grab this, and I actually see one over here, $1 each, which is totally worth it.
This is my favorite section. They have these stores kind of sectioned off. They've got wood and small ceramic items and baskets and things, and this is the wood section. So we always find cool stuff in here.
A chicken on wheels? Oh, it's stuck.
Normally I would probably spring for this duck, but it's kind of the wrong style. It's only $2, but it needs a little bit of repair, and it's not really the style we go for, so I'm gonna pass on it. Who doesn't need a giant wooden avocado? Okay, so here we are over in the metal section, and I found a little chicken friend. It's cast iron for $1. Doing it.
$2 silver platter that's monogrammed, and a little brass bucket, which I think is super cute. What do you think about these, Zeb?
Yeah, we're always needing hooks like that for shelves.
I'm always looking for hardware components that are less expensive than the store, plus these have a nice patina. All right, I always like to get down low and see what I can find. This used to have a glass server in it, but I actually think we could drop a wood bottom in it and then make like a centerpiece that could go on a table. It's tarnished silver, $2, the price is right. So because we have a lot of painted furniture, I like to bring natural elements into the store. This basket's cool because it comes complete with a lid, and this basket's cool because it has a hole. And I'm thinking somebody could use this as a light fixture. Every month we have a printable for our channel members, so whenever we go to the thrift store, we're always looking for frames that will fit about an 8x10 that we can put that month's printable in.
That's kind of a cool picture of the horses anyway.
I don't love the frame, but I like this.
I like the picture. It's rare that we don't like the frame, but we like the picture. Usually we take the pictures out.
I know, but I'm gonna get it and then we can frame it out.
Maybe we could do like a big wood kind of rustic frame.
Yeah, that would be cool.
So this is the glassware section. Lots to choose from. On the other side, we have plates. Jamie's been on the hunt for Fiestaware ever since we found a bunch the other day, so we'll see if she finds any.
I feel like that Fiesta was like a unicorn and we probably won't find it again.
Maybe, maybe not. There's a lot of stuff that looks like it. This mug section is stocked a little better. I think I might be able to find some cool mugs for our tiered trade situation that I was doing.
Look at this French butter dish. I know it's French because this means butter in France.
Yeah, we had to learn that the hard way.
Yeah, it looks old too. It's cute.
Whenever we can find these jars with the rubber seal on them, we like to grab those up too.
Oh yeah, that looks cool.
It's got a different name on it. It's like Fido.
Oh, it's Italian.
Oh, there you go. Made in Italy. We're taking it home with us. How much is that one?
$1.
What about this here?
Oh,
we do anything with that globe?
I'm looking for domes. Yeah, no, this is awesome. This is definitely on my list of things I wanted to find.
So $2?
Yep. We'll have to find something to put in it and then a wood bottom for a display.
Okay.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, you put sugar in there and dump that on your cereal or your grapefruits or whatever you got going on.
I don't know, it's necessarily old.
Yeah, I don't think it's too old, but it's kind of unique.
All right.
Sometimes just because things aren't old doesn't mean that they're not cool.
That's good. Throw it in.
Are those metal
Yeah.
enamelware?
Yeah, this is some cute enamelware.
That's kind of cool. They'd be like fun little, what do they call those bowls for like your flour or when you're getting your stuff all ready?
Oh, prep bowls.
Yeah, they'd be like fun little prep bowls. Is this milk glass here? I can't tell. What is this? Is this like a cup?
It is milk glass. Those don't usually sell super well.
What's that?
It's a heavy bottom pot from Le Creuset. It's not old. It's got a plastic.
Looks like it needs repair. Gotta make a quick run through the craft section, see if we can find any good supplies. Not finding anything I need today. It looks like it's been hit pretty hard. I'm gonna go back into the yard area. This is one of our favorite areas back here. Finding anything good back here?
Not yet, but you just have to keep looking. There's layers.
Another basket offering. This here's cool, but they're wanting a little bit too much for it. They want 150 for that. Thrifting hard today?
Yeah.
I found this tabletop and base. It's got a marble top, but I love the cast iron base with the detail on it. This is definitely something I want to put in the shop.
Thrift store number 2. This area is what's known as Sugarhouse up in kind of Salt Lake area. Looks like they've got a lot more furniture at this one. Does that have the mirror that goes on the top?
No, but we will be taking that home with us.
How much is that?
$50. Looks like it's not super old, but
It's pretty old. Look at the dovetail on the sides.
it's got all the hardware on it. Somebody's refinished it recently.
All right, get yourself a tag. There's some more of that silver. Kind of like what you got. We have no candlestick offering this time around. Oh, that's plastic. I don't like it. Get that?
Yeah, I'm wondering, like you said, I don't really like this as much as I like the other one.
What's it? It's a set though, I think.
It has like gold on it. It's weird.
Here's the holiday section. Striking out at store 2. Store 1 had all the good stuff. All right, help me out here, guys. I was thinking this was a lamp, but I just don't know. I don't know what that is. I think I lost Jami in the yard area. I was correct. I did lose her in the yard area. Oh, that's cool.
Dish with little feet. This I don't know about.
Little pediment.
Yeah, it's heavy and it's ceramic.
Okay, so not as much here, but we did get the big dresser, which is a good score.
I'm gonna load her up.
All right, so I figured we'll just put it in sideways on its back.
Yeah.
For about $160, we got all of this plus the antique dresser that's still in the back of the truck.
I think the haul was pretty good, and it's funny because I had like very specific things in mind because I'm trying to bring in a French, I don't know, like there's this look I want and I just can't seem to find it, but I have on my list certain things, and today I pretty much checked it off. We have baskets, enamelware, a French butter dish, marble, Crocs, I mean...
Some wood tones.
Some wood tones, even a dome. I didn't even think I would find that, and I was super excited. And
it actually looks good on that plate.
I'm thinking, I wonder if I have a smaller silver plate.
Yeah, probably.
And that would kind of go together well. So all in all, I think today's thrift haul was very successful.
Yeah, well, and we only had to go to 2 stores instead of 8 like last time.
Absolutely. Thanks for shopping with us. If you want to achieve the looks that we get on our thrifted and resale items that we sell in our shop, make sure you're hitting up JamiRayVintage.com. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.